Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to change the text size on Flipboard. Also I wonder why you want to know how to change the text size on Flipboard. It is because you're a person who uses a lot of Flipboard but you find it really hard to read its text because it's very small. Or maybe you think the text is very large, it is taking a lot of space on the screen, or there could be any other reason for you to know how to change the size of the text on Flipboard. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First you have to make sure that you have already installed the Flipboard app and you have already created your account on it. After that just simply tap on the icon of the Flipboard app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the Flipboard app looks. You could also see its logo on the top left side of the screen. Here we have options almost all over the screen. As you can see, this is the current text size on the Flipboard app. You could see we have titles and different kind of descriptions. So this is the current text size on the Flipboard app. So we will see how we can make it bigger or how we can make it smaller according to whatever you prefer. Mostly people prefer the big size of the text because of their eyesight issue, because it's really hard to read small words. So they prefer the big text. Or maybe there are some people who thinks that when there is large text it takes a lot of space on the screen, so they prefer the smaller one. Or maybe some people prefer the normal one. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on this profile icon. Once you click on it, you will see your profile information. Here it has your name, your profile picture, your bio, and all other information related to your account. So you have to click on this settings icon, this one. Once you click on it, on the top you will see its title settings, and there you will see different options. So from all these options, what we have to do is that we have to select the fifth option, which says text size. As you can see, this option is in this section, and this is the third or maybe the fourth option, you could say, text size or size text. Once you click on it, you will see text sizes. These text sizes are at the bottom side of the screen. Here you could see this circle. If you move it to the right side, the text size will keep getting bigger, but if you move it to the left side, it will get smaller. So the largest size that you could have is the A, which is on the right side of the screen, and the smallest one is on the left side of the screen. So here you can see whenever I move it to the right or the smaller, the text size keep getting changed according to which option I select. So that's how you can change the size of the text on the Flipboard app. You just have to choose what kind of size you want. You just have to move this circle to the right to make it bigger, and you have to move it to the left to make the text size smaller. Whenever I move this circle on the top, you can see the text size keep getting changed. So this is the result of the changing of the text size. So now we will just get back on the front page, and there we will see how the text size looks. So once I get back here, you can see that text size has been increased. Before it was smaller, but now it is bigger. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the text size on the Flipboard app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.